Actually, I think that's what's attracted all the kids on the team is to you know, to come to Wyoming is the outdoors aspect of the area and the beautiful scenery, and it's kind of a hidden gem. So right now we're in our pre-season. We started on Monday. We've had some good runs, and we've been going out and about on all different places up here in the forest and near town. But I think that helps in developing the runners as they come into the season. They're getting used to the altitude, and but also you get real pretty sights and real nice scenery. That helps in as they're going through the aches and pains of getting in shape and everything. So it's pretty fun. We'll kick off the season on Friday, September 2nd with the Wyoming Invite, and that's a nice meet to start the year. We'll have about 5 collegiate teams. It's a Jacoby golf course, and it gives us a chance to assess where we're at after 3 weeks of team training. But it will be just kind of the first step in the rungs up the ladder towards the conference and region championship. So it's a fun atmosphere out there at Jacoby on that Friday evening. The women run at 6 and the men run at 6:30.